Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moss, back with another video. And before y'all even start, I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, this boy switch up his content more than I switch my draws. First off, that's nasty, because I've only really switched it like 3-4 times, and if y'all only switching our draws 4 times, that's disgusting. But anyways, I decided, since I cut my hair, I wanted to do a wave journey video with y'all. So every week I'll be posting daily wave, progress videos for you guys. Because this is what I'm on right now. I decided to cut my hair off. If you don't know, my hair used to be like this. But now I'm trying to get the waves because I just like being different and I just want to change it up. Y'all know I like changing stuff up all the time. So yeah, anyways guys, right now I'm going to show y'all what my process is of trying to get waves. I mean, I watch videos all the time. And I also listen to my father. He used to be spinning when he was younger, so I'm getting knowledge from the oldies. He ain't old, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all my progress right now. It's really not that much. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I go of trying to get my waves. Of course, you see the stalking cat, and yeah, here we go. Yep, it's something. My friends tell me it's something there. I guess they're right. I guess. I'm not going to be satisfied until I get the full, 360 all around. But it's going to take some time, and I know it. But anyways, guys, right now I'm about to go take a shower, wash some of this product out, get my hair kind of moisturized so I can put some more of this 360 products in it. And I'll be back with you after I get out, because I ain't on that. Never mind. I'll be back. Alright, so I just got done washing my hair. Not really washing it, but conditioning it, because I was going to wash it today, but then realized that I washed it Wednesday, and I don't want to keep washing my hair and make it dry and unhealthy. So this is what it looks like once I get out from washing. Hope you all can see definitely that, yeah, it definitely does something. I don't know what it does, but it does something. Alright, so this is what I used while I was in the shower. Conditioner I use, I just use a random conditioner. Ain't that serious, but this right here, you can get it if you want to. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but it's a conditioner. And this is the brush I use right here. I think this is medium hard. Yeah, it's pretty good. My friend just gave it to me this last week because, he's trying to help me get in the wave game too. Alright, so after I get out the shower, the first thing I do from conditioning is throw in a little bit of conditioner. First, let me show y'all what I use right here. This is called the Go in Your Mom's I was about to say Go in Your Mom's closet. Go in Your Mom's cabinet. Find some leave-in conditioner and throw that in. So I usually rub this all around my head because, give it back some moisture after washing it. My hair is actually very curly. Like the pictures I showed y'all before. It's very curly, so I don't think it's going to be too hard for me to get waves. Like, I can kind of see them coming back in again. But anyways, after I throw in the conditioner, take my medium brush again, and I start brushing for a little bit, not too long. Anyway, somebody just called, mess up the video. Sucks, I know. But yeah, keep going, keep brushing for a while. Just let the stuff get soaked in before I throw in the grease. Oh, before I go on into put in the grease, y'all should follow me on my social media accounts. It's in the description. Alright, so after I'm done brushing my hair from putting in the leave-in conditioner, then I use this 360 style wave control pomade. Basically what every other waver says to use on YouTube. That's what I use. This is not a origin or original video. It's like so many sources out there. It can't be original. I just took the sources I found and put them in my video. So then I take this. That's probably not enough. And I throw it in the head. Help it lay it down. I put it all around. It helps out a lot. I actually like this a lot. I used to use the Sporting Waves, but it was very, very bad buildup when I used it. I know some people say they use it, but I don't use it, so I guess if it works for them, it works for them. I ain't gonna hate because I ain't got waves yet, so it's whatever. Then after I'm done putting that in, I normally just go go back to brushing, like you should. Anyway, so after, you know, some time of brushing and stuff like that, this is what my hair looks like right now. I do see some product on my forehead, as you can see right here. Normally I just take a paper towel or something, wipe the product off my forehead just so I don't break out. I like clear skin. Don't always have it, but you know, it works. Anyway, so after I'm done brushing, because I just brushed a little bit more, I usually take the stocking cap, throw it on my head. Some people like to put the do-rag on, then put the stocking cap over the do-rag. It does not work out for me that way. So, for those who can do it, applause to you. Alright. And then I take a new do-rag I just got, actually. I like this do-rag a lot. I call it the Deathstroke do-rag. Very silky. Here we go right here. Double side, double color. I really like this. Just ordered it this week. Only wore it once. But I normally just take this, throw it on, and then I just call it a day. Leave it on there for a while. Let's wrap this up. And I go ahead and fix it. Make sure it looks somewhat decent. Don't want to look like a bum if I go out in public. Like, oh, why you do that like that? Like, shut up, leave me alone. Then after I get the do-rag on, normally I take the back and I tie it up because I don't really like the cake that much. Some people do, I don't. It's alright though, like I said, it'll be different. But yeah guys, after that I normally just call it a day. Yeah, this is what the journey is going to be like. Really, I'm going to rely on you guys though. Comment below what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, and what should I be doing. This journey will be fun, I believe. And as soon as I start spinning, that's when I start feeling myself. Because right now I don't feel myself because I ain't spinning like I want to. But you know, it's going to take some time, I know it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, click that like button. If you didn't, click the dislike button. Because no matter what, it helps my channel. And if you really like this, hit subscribe so you can continue up with my journey. Like I said, follow my social media in the description. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.